starting with adding some oil for easy release later. Wipe of any excess oil. Mix well to a pancake batter consistency. Pro tip: mix slowly to avoid air bubbles. Give it a good tap to release any trapped air bubbles. Let it dry completely for 24 hours. Once it's fully cured, it's time for the most satisfying part, peeling back the mold to reveal your brand new trinket tray. And there you have it, a beautiful, minimalist tray, perfect for your jewelry. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like and subscribe button for more easy home decor and DIYs.